Okay, BMW 5 Series 2011 water leak found. So we're just going to show you a few bits to begin with. Down the scuttle area, we can see that there is a lot of dirt and debris down at the bottom there. Basically, that's where the water obviously comes out through the arches. On this one as well, and we can see that there's a lot of dirt in there as well, a lot of leaves and debris, so that's not going to be good. If we then come underneath the passenger front dashboard, right, okay, so we can see the plug there. We do it a different way. We actually put the plug in the other way round. The only thing is, behind that plug it's like a drain which comes off this way. We need to make sure that that's obviously deblocked before obviously we put the plug in, because what it does is the water sits up like a bucket, and because that's plastic it will obviously corrode and then cause the water to come back in, and obviously we don't want that coming back in again. If we then come round to the back, the problem we was having is this bit here was actually wet up on the seat, and the problem was, as you can see, it doesn't correspond with obviously it getting wet in the passenger front, so it won't actually come uphill. So what we've actually managed to work out is, if I put my torch in here, so what we're going to be concentrating is up here where the towel is, and then what we want to do is we want to get some water. We want to put our water just down this little area here, so simulating it's out in the rain. So we put loads of water here, and then if we then jump inside the car, okay, so we can see it's dripping in onto the mechanism which obviously does the boot area, and then it's then falling into this section here. And believe it or not, that's the leak there. So it's coming in here, here by this rubber, and then what it's doing is it's falling on the pad which is up against here, and then what it's doing is it's actually using that as a slide, because that pad actually comes all the way to here. So when it then gets to here, it then runs down, and then that's where the point of obviously the puddle was beginning. If we look on the other side, because the cover's still in now, we can see on this side, so what it would be doing is following the panel all the way down and then releasing obviously onto the back seats. So we've found the leak now. It's been a bit of a tricky one, but obviously we're confident that we found the reason why this area here was getting wet. So it's just a case of obviously getting that one all fixed and getting it all dried out.